Turn your WordPress site into an app acquisition powerhouse, driving more Android downloads with ease. Begin by logging into your WordPress admin area. Navigate to the Posts section and choose to either create a fresh post or edit an existing one where you wish to feature your app. Within the post editor, decide on the placement for your app download. Prompt: this could be a text link embedded in your content or a standalone button for maximum impact. Craft clear and compelling text for your link or button. Phrases like "download our latest Android app" or "get the app on Google Play" are effective. Highlight the text you just typed. Locate the link icon in the toolbar. A circumflex euros. It resembles a chain. A circumflex euros, and click on it to open the linking options. A small window will pop up prompting you to enter the web address or URL for your Android app. To find your app's URL, visit its page on the Google Play Store. Select and copy the complete web address from your browser's address bar. Paste the Google Play Store URL you just copied into the designated URL field within the pop-up window. Double-check for accuracy. To ensure a smooth experience, it's highly recommended to check the Open link in a new tab option. This allows visitors to access the App Store without leaving your website. Complete the process by clicking the Add Link or Update button to integrate the link into your post. Your text is now a functional hyperlink for a more prominent display. Consider styling this text link as a button, or utilize your theme's dedicated button block features if available. Once you're satisfied with your post's content and the integrated app link, click Publish or Update to make these changes live. Congratulations! You've successfully added a direct pathway for your WordPress audience to discover and download your Android app, boosting your user acquisition efforts.